Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Ka Jaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Sorkar jela hakalas new blade jong kat pratrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuar kalap Bthah ya Tnat penroi sor bahkan wat ya Jaka Thehñiut na Bthah ban penlang si Jaka ya Thehñiut ke balalang thub hasor Jowai kad hadu bakala pen isat met hadu kata-kata ya sor West Gentia Hills District baro kawai kani ke jing Bthah kalong hadin bak Sorkar kamshim layo ya Jaka ban sna ya Jaka Thehñiut wala ka Sorkar kala terwa ban seo dakador ka bahe Shakindo kino kitrai kendo ki bakloi ban Jaka ya Sorkar.
It is ultimately equally concern of the government, and as I said to you, we have already instructed Urban Affairs Department to work extra on this particular issue. But the real problem that we have here is wherever we identified land, again, if not the community, sometimes the landowners are not willing to part the land. Not only in Gentia Hills, even you see in Shillong, what has happened. See, the real issue here is about the land. Though the government are ready to pay the compensation, but still, in spite of that, public are against it. So, it keep delaying or movement as far as setting up of the solid waste management and other scientific program which is supposed to be done. So therefore, I request all the concerned stakeholders, please join with us. Let us work out the alternative, how to go about it. Because unless we have the identified site, it's so difficult. Where do we again dump the garbages? So this, as I said to you, this is not only to be blamed to the government alone. We need to understand this. We need to jointly take the responsibility, and I'm sure if we can do that, we will be able to resolve this issue as early as possible. See, because the land tenure system here in Meghalaya is what? If nobody willing to part land, then we have to abandon the project. We have see how many road project, even the road project, I'm telling you, how many roads project we have to abandon it. We have to desanction it. How many water supply scheme project? It happens. We have to abandon it. That's why we keep educating people. This project, it does not mean that you will not be benefited, be it the landowners, be it the community, be it the state as a whole. In fact, we are benefiting, but again the problem is, it is so difficult to make the landowners or the community land or the clan land to understand the reality. Urban Affairs Department work out the temporary relief, temporary measures, how to go about it. Otherwise, we have seen it, yes, it's so painful. Garbages was just lying over there, which is totally unhealthy. So we have already instructed the municipal board and the district administration as well as Urban Affairs Department to take steps how to remove this temporary, solution on this issue. Why not? Be it Doloi, be it Raja, be it the Rambashnong, be it anybody, and be it the landowner themselves, we are ready to work together with them. We are ready to provide even the compensation depending upon the assessment to be made by the district collector. We are ready for that, I'm telling you. That's what my humble request to the stakeholders. Please cooperate with the government, and then if you don't understand, don't just blindly oppose it. Come to the table, let the officers, let the department explain to you what will be the benefit of setting up the solid waste management, what will be the benefit of the scientific waste management, which is to be set up in these localities.